Now I am going to start the subject Logic 2 of SY BLS LLB 4th semester. First we will see all the basic parts of the Logic 2, then we will come to know how to solve the questions and what type of the questions comes in the paper. So first topic is syllogism. So syllogism is a mediate inference in which the conclusion is deduced from two premises. Means it is a mediate inference in which the conclusion is deduced from the two premises. A syllogism consists of three propositions which consist of two logical proposition premise and one conclusion. Means there are three sentences. Take the example. There are three sentences. The two first sentences are called premise. They are not called sentences. They are first two sentences are called premise and the third is called the conclusion. So syllogism is a mediate inference in which the conclusion, this is the conclusion, it is deduced from the two premises. Means from the two premises we take out the conclusion. The first term of the conclusion is the minor premise and second term is the major premise. First term means it's the subject, second term means predicate. First you listen all this video, then you will come to know that what I am saying and what is the syllogism. So the two premise. So in two premise, the common term, there is a common term, it is called the middle term. Now syllogism has three terms of proposition. Means first is the major term, then minor term and then middle term. Premise which contains second term of the conclusion is known as major premise. And the premise which contains the first term of the conclusion is known as minor premise. Means in premise, first there are two premise and then conclusion. When the premise which contains second term of the conclusion, means in conclusion there are two terms. In conclusion there are two terms, and when second term is present in the premise, then it is the major premise. And when in the conclusion, when the first term is present in that premise, then it is the minor premise. Means example, all P is M. P means predicate, M means middle term. All M is S and all S is P. Now look, in this example, there is a common term in this two premise. This first two premise and this is the conclusion. In this two premise there is a common term. What is the common term? It is the M. So it is a middle term. Now this is first term. This first term is major premise. Second term is minor premise and the third is the conclusion. When there is a premise which contains second term of the conclusion, it is known as major premise. Means in conclusion there are two terms, first term, second term. This is the second term. Now look at this sentence. Premise which contains second term means P of the conclusion, it is known as major premise and it has came in this sentence. Means it is a major premise. When the premise which contains first term, now the conclusion's first term, this is S, it comes in which term? This. So it is a minor premise. Then in syllogism there are three propositions. It is the major, minor, conclusion. Major, minor, conclusion. And three terms, subject, predicate and middle. Subject, predicate and middle. And always the predicate is present in the major premise, subject is present in the minor premise and it is the conclusion. So these are the basic rules. Syllogism means it is a mediate inference in which the conclusion is deduced from the two premise. Now in this example, all farmers are hard workers. This is the first argument. Second, all villagers are farmers. And third is the all villagers are hard workers. Now in this two premise, this is first is the major premise and second is the minor premise. In that the common term is farmers. The common term is called middle term. So what is the middle term? Farmers is the middle term. This is major premise, minor premise and this is the conclusion. And the first term of the conclusion is present here. So it is first term of the conclusion is minor premise. Means this is minor premise. And second term of the conclusion which comes in this two of the arguments is major premise. Now here the villagers has come in this argument, so it is the minor premise, and the hard workers has came in this argument, so it is the major premise. The predicate term is in the major premise and subject term is in the minor premise, and the term which repeats in both the premise is called middle term. Now here middle term is farmers. So these are the basic rules, and now we will see the general rules of the syllogism. In that there are 7 rules.